Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the Samsung TV not showing up on AirPlay. So let's get started. Solution number one, check if your Samsung TV supports AirPlay. Open the web browser on your computer or the mobile. Visit the Apple website or Samsung AirPlay support. Look for the Samsung TV model in the list of the compatible TVs. If your TV model is listed, it supports the AirPlay. Okay. So here you can visit the website and look for the Samsung TV model in the list of the Samsung TV model in the list of the compatible TVs. If your TV model is listed, it supports AirPlay. Solution number two is ensure AirPlay is enabled on your Samsung TV. Turn on the Samsung TV. Press the home button on your TV remote. Navigate to the settings menu. Select General. Select Apple AirPlay settings. Ensure that the AirPlay option is turned on. If it's not, select the AirPlay and toggle the switch to the on position. The solution number three is verify the devices on the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on the Samsung TV and the Apple device. Make sure both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Check your Samsung TV Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the settings menu. Select General. Select Network. Check the Wi-Fi network name and password. To check your Apple device Wi-Fi network, open the settings app. Select Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi network name and password. The solution number four is check for the software updates. Turn on your Samsung TV and Apple device. Check for the software updates on your Samsung TV. Navigate to the settings menu. Select support. Select software update. When update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Check for the software updates on your Apple TV. Open the settings app on your Apple device. Select General. Select software update if an update is available. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Solution number five is check for the network band compatibility. Check if your Samsung TV supports the 5 GHz network band. If it does, try switching to a 2.4 GHz network band for more stable connection. To do this, log into your router's web portal and select 2.4 GHz network band. Restart your router and reconnect your device to the new network band. Solution number six is reset your Samsung TV to the factory defaults. Open the Samsung TV settings, select support, select choose device care, self-diagnostic and select restart. If the reset option is not located in the self-diagnostic menu, check for the settings general menu. Enter the TV pin if prompted. Once the TV is reset to the factory default, set it up as the new device. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you all. Thank you. Bye bye.